Hi everybody, I hope you're all doing okay. If you're new to my channel, welcome, my name is Claire. I've got my very first beauty subscription unboxing for August, and it is Lookfantastic, and it's in collaboration with Rosie Connelly, which I didn't know about. So if you're new to Lookfantastic and you want to learn a little bit more about the subscription, then carry on watching. But if you've seen it all before and you're just curious in seeing what's inside their August box, then you will find a timestamp down below in the comments, so you're free to flick forward. The reason you're seeing this box a little bit earlier than usual is because I'm on Lookfantastic's PR list, and they kindly send me their boxes for free in exchange for me showing you and telling you all about it to see if it's a box for you or not. They have also given me a discount code off your first box, so you will find that as well as links to the subscription, and also they have got a huge amount of limited edition one-off boxes available at the moment, so I'll pop them down in my description as well. So underneath this video you'll see show more or a downward arrow. If you to click that, that'll bring up my description and everything will be listed down there. So let's get on to telling you a little bit more about Lookfantastic. Lookfantastic is a monthly beauty subscription box that ships worldwide. The cost of the box is £15 and inside contains 6 beauty items. Even though this is a PR box that I'm showing you today, I do have my own personal subscription. I've been a subscriber for coming up to 4 years and I have not taken a break. I take out their 12-month subscription, so it reduces the cost a little bit per month. Instead of paying £15 a month, I pay, I think it's £13. So yeah, £2 off a month. But yeah, those boxes I either keep for myself, or I give them to friends and family as gifts, or I put them up for giveaways on my Facebook page and my Instagram page, which are both Diaryofabeautygeek. I currently have a giveaway running to win one of 3 boxes on my Instagram at the moment, so all current giveaways and everything you'll find down in my description, so you're welcome to take a look there if you want. I post up pics on my Instagram page, plus, as you can imagine, 4 years of unboxings, a huge playlist. You're welcome to take a look if you want to see what previous boxes have been like. It's one of my favourite subscription boxes, and it's one of the more consistent subscription boxes as well. There doesn't seem to be much change over the last couple of years. As well as a monthly subscription, which you can cancel any month, they do offer a 3, 6 and 12-month subscription, as I just mentioned, at a reduced cost. So I think that's it as far as information goes. All links and things will be listed down there, but if I've missed anything out, please ask away in the comments. But let's get on to showing you what's inside their August box. Normally we have a booklet inside and it details everything about the products inside the box, so I'm able to refer as I go along, and also it gives you a sneak peek for what everyone will receive in their September box. It would be, my gosh, I can't believe how fast this year is going. It's too fast. And also any new up and coming limited editions. But this month it's all online. It says here, to our lovely beauty box subscribers, we hope you love this month's beauty box in collaboration with influencer Rosie Connelly. In order to bring you the best magazine possible this August, filled with lots of content from Rosie herself, we made the decision to make the magazine digital only. To read, simply scan or QR code below with your phone camera. Enjoy. So let's see if that's all set up ready. It might not be because it's not the first yet, but we'll give it a go. Open hut group. Okay. No, it's not set up yet, so it'll be set up from the first. As soon as I'm able to read the QR code on my phone, I'll post it up on my Facebook and Instagram page. So let's get on to showing you what's inside. Just give you a quick sneak peek first. Okay, first up, we've got a makeup product. We've got Ciati London. This is our sneak peek from last month. This is a Glow 2 Illuminating Blush, Long Wear Skin Brightening Blush. Have we got a shade? No, it doesn't say a shade. This is teeny tiny. This is like a little sample one. Or maybe this is a full size, I don't know. It is really small. Handy for downsizing your makeup if you're going away anywhere. Oh my gosh, that is gorgeous. Look at that. I wonder if this is actually full size. I'm not sure. I want to sniff it for some reason. It doesn't smell of anything. It does not smell of anything. It just looks like a sweet. Okay, let's see what it's like in my hand. See there? That is a nice shade actually. That is really pretty. It's a coral pink shade with a light shimmer as well. Yeah, that is really nice. It reminds me of the Hourglass blush. What is it called? Is it Ambient Lighting Blush? Can't remember now, but it reminds me of that. Yeah, I do really like that actually. Normally I'm a little bit like on the fence when it comes to products like this, especially blushes. I mean blushes that contain a highlighter in them then essentially. Can't tell you anything else about it, so let's get on to the next item. We've got a mask remover. This is by Glove Home Spa. Effortless Beauty, innovative fibre technology, removes cosmetic masks with water. Mask off. Ooh, I thought this was like a cleansing cloth, a makeup remover cloth. So I was thinking, we have a lot of those in our boxes. We do have a lot of them. But no, this is a little bit different. So this is for masks. Anything that removes a face mask, especially like a clay or a mud mask, easier. It's brilliant. So it's square, and you put your hand in there, and yeah, just take off the blush. Oh, I wish I could read more about it now. It's really hard to read the writing because obviously it's see-through and it's tiny, but I'll have a go. Use glove mask remover to fully remove your dried clay or mud cosmetic masks. The special glove fibres attract mask particles so they can easily be washed away. Gently, the fibres clean skin by slipping on its surface and letting the mask's nutritious components penetrate the deeper skin layers. Without mess, mask residue is easily washable from the glove, no splashing, no puddles. That is different. I'm a subscription box addict, as most of you know, and I've never received one of these before. So yeah, I love that. I love that. Next, we've got a face mask, and I think this is a sheet mask by AHC Natural Essential Mask, Aqua Nourishing. Nourishing and hydrating for dry and rough skin. It contains hydrolyzed vegetable protein, glycine soya bean protein, and yeah, 100% natural cotton. So, the brand is familiar. I'm sure we've had something from this brand before in Lookfantastic. I don't know. What's it got a thermometer there? Look. I don't know. It's a Korean sheet mask and I can't tell you much about it. We got a sheet mask there. Next we got a smoothing body lotion by Ahava. This is superfood kale and turmeric, and we've got 40 mils here. Let's try a little bit on top of the blush. Does it smell? Oh, it does smell nice. I wasn't expecting it to smell of anything. But yeah, it is very natural, very subtle. Can't tell you what it is. It just smells fresh. Super recipe nourishment for your skin. Apply to clean skin after shower. Nothing else there. So yeah, kale and turmeric body lotion. The last two products are for your hair. So first up, we have got a Living Proof Dry Shampoo. And this is Perfect Hair Day. Actually cleans hair, eliminates oils, sweat and odour. And we've got 92 mils here. I like this little size actually. This has come at a handy time for me, because I haven't told anybody on social media yet, but I'm hopefully going to Greece just for a couple of days in a few weeks' time. Oh, it's a long story. I'm going there for personal reasons, but also for a break. Just me and my younger son, and I cannot wait. Everything's all sorted, tests, everything like that. It's just, you just don't know what will happen. You don't know what will happen as far as COVID is concerned. I might be going, I might not be, who knows. I'll be having a lot of updos in Greece as it's going to be extremely hot. I've never been to Greece in August before. I don't know, but I am really looking forward to it. So yeah, dry shampoo, I've tried this before. It's great. I love the fact that it eliminates odours and grease, and it actually cleans your hair as well. So I am really chuffed to that. And then again, another little travel mini I can bring with me, and this is Percy and Reed, and this is Hold It Right There Strong Hold Hairspray, and we got 50 mils. So yeah, perfect size, perfect size. Love this brand as well. I absolutely adore the Wonder Balm. I've been banging on about it for years. I absolutely love it, and thankfully we get it now and again in subscription boxes. So I haven't actually gone out and bought a full-size one for a long time. But yeah, I've used this hairspray before as well, and it's good. What can I tell you about it? Super fine mist, suitable for all hair types. Strong hold with heat and humidity protection. Retains natural movement that stays in place without the crunch. So yeah, so those are all the products inside the August Lookfantastic box. So I'll just gather them all up and I'll be back. We've got an AHC Natural Essential Sheet Mask. Got an Ahava Smoothing Body Lotion. Got a CRT London Illuminating Blush. We've got a Glove Mask Remover. Living Proof Dry Shampoo. And lastly, Percy & Reed Hairspray. When I received this box this morning, I took a photo and I posted it up on my Facebook page, and there's been lots of comments from people excited to see what's inside, and there was one comment from my lovely follower that said, please not let there be sheet masks and cleansing cloths and things. And I was like, oh, because I had a sneak peek and I was like, oh, sort of. But I am glad to say that even though we have got a sheet mask, we have got a mask remover, which is different. I love cleansing cloths, makeup remover cloths, etc. I use them all the time. I've got a ton of them. So it is nice that we've got something completely different here that I have never owned. So yeah, I'll be using that regularly. But yeah, as far as the other contents are concerned, nothing stands out as being wow. I think the most exciting item for me is the mask remover. There's nothing wrong with the products. As I said, the dry shampoo and the hairspray, perfect timing. They're going to be coming to Greece with me. The products I've used before, know I like, and yeah, the great sizes. The blush, it looks pretty. I'm going to try it, see what it's like. The body lotion, it's okay, but kale and turmeric doesn't really excite me. It is definitely worth £15. There's products in there that I'm excited to use, to try, to take away with me, but it's not a massive wow box. There seems to be quite a few familiars there, but I would love to hear your thoughts. What do you think of this box? Are you excited to receive it in August? Are you wondering if this is a box for you or not? Are you going to subscribe? All your thoughts and opinions, I'd love to know, so please comment down below. But I hope you enjoyed watching. If you did, it'd be lovely if you give me a big thumbs up, and if you haven't done so already, please subscribe to my channel for lots more videos to come. So take care, and I'll speak soon. Bye.